Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this particular session we shall continue with the problems related to our, that is a previous class, that is nothing but our exercise number 9.4 related to our variable separable form here. Now this particular thing, that is this particular exercise is very simple here, okay, that we shall observe. Now let us start with the first one. Particular solution we require to find. In the previous session we have discussed about the general solution. In this solution, in this exercise, in this session we are going to discuss about the particular solution. That means whatever the plus is the integral constant we were adding, that value we will find out now. Okay. Now let us move on with the problem. The first problem, that is dy by dx equal to minus 4x y square, okay, minus 4x y square at y is equal to 1 when, that is when x equal to 0, that is when y is equal to, okay, when y is equal to 1 at y is equal to 1 when x equal to 0. We shall discuss about this particular thing. Now here let us observe this problem. It is very simple part here. First of all we have to frame it into an variable separable form here, okay, that is dy divided by, here we are having y square equal to minus 4x dx, okay, minus 4x dx. Next here integrate it, okay, it is a variable separable form, okay, therefore integrate it. So what we get after integrating, dear students, that is integration of 1 by y square dy is equal to minus 4 integration of x dx. Now here integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 by y equal to minus 4x square by 2 plus an integral constant c here. Now here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, we get minus 1 by y integration, okay. Now here what we get, the value is minus 1 by y, okay, minus 2x square plus an integral constant c here. Okay, now let us take it as equation number 1 here. Now here he has given the data here, that means what he has given, the initial condition is given, that is when y is equal to 1, okay, at y is equal to 1 when x equal to 0. This particular thing he can also write as y of 0 is equal to 1. That means here y of x, it is always it is y of x, that means y of 0, that is the value for x equal to y1 here, okay. He may give in this manner also here, okay, that is a y of 0 is equal to 1 also he may give here, that is y is equal to 1 when x equal to 0 it means. Now I will put here, that is at y is equal to 1 and x equal to 0, y is equal to 1 and x equal to 0, okay, you substitute here, that is minus 1 by, okay, what we have, minus 1 by 1 equal to, okay, so here it is equal to sign here, dear students, okay, equal to minus 2 into 0 plus c. That means here what we get, that implies c value will be minus 1, okay, dear students. What is the c value here? That is minus 1, that is x equal to 0 at substituted and y is equal to 1. That means here c value what it is, minus 1, put in 1, okay, dear students, put in equation number 1. So what we get here, minus 1 by y equal to, what we have, that is minus 2x square, okay, minus 1 here, minus 2x square minus 1. Now here at last that is nothing but y is equal to 1 divided by 2x square plus 1, okay, 2x square plus 1, and that is nothing but your required result is our particular solution, is our particular solution, okay, that is nothing but our required result. So here what it is nothing but our general solution, it is our general solution and it is nothing but our particular solution, okay, dear students. Now let us move on with the next question. The next question is find the differential, okay, find the, okay, equation, find the solution for the differential equation, passing through that is 1 comma 1, okay, whose given that is x dy equal to 2x square plus 1, okay, 2x square plus 1 into dx, okay. we require to find the solution here. Find the solution. Find the solution. Now, how to find the solution? Solution means what? Whenever he has given the initial conditions, we require to find out what? We require to find out the particular solution. Its value is x and its value is y here. My dear students, very, very simple problem. Now, first of all, we will write down the differential equation. What it is? X dy equal to 2x square plus 1, okay, into what we have? That is dx. Now, directly what we can write here is here dy, okay, dy is equal to, dear students, 2x square plus 1 divided by x into dx, okay, that is nothing but here dy is equal to 2x plus 1 by x into dx here. Okay, now here directly you can integrate it. Okay, how to integrate here? That is nothing but here 2 variable separable form. Variable separable means what here? All the values of all the variables of x at one side and all the variables of y at one side here. Now here we can integrate it. That is nothing but variable separable form. Therefore, integrate it. Integrate it. Okay. Now what we get after integrating? That is integration of 1 dy is equal to integration of what it is? 2x plus 1 by x, okay, into dx. So integration of 1, that is nothing but y, 2 into x integration will be x square by 2, okay, 2 integration will be x square by 2 plus 1 by integration will be log x plus an integral constant c. Dear students, what it is? It is nothing but our general solution, and here we may observe that the constant 2 to get eliminates here. Okay. Now here let us take it as equation number 1 here. Let us take it as equation number 1. The next step is, so here what condition he has given at 1 comma 1, okay, at 1 comma 1 means when, that is when x equal to 1, that implies y is equal to what we have? The value is 1 here. Substitute those values. So what we get? 1 equal to x square, that is nothing but here 1 square plus log 1 plus c. That implies here 1 as it is plus log 1 value will be 0 plus c. That implies c equal to 1 minus 1, the value is 0, and you have to put in 1 here. My dear students, you have to put that equation in general solution. After putting in general solution, what we get? Y is equal to x square plus log x is our required particular solution. Okay, dear students, very, very simple example here. Okay, dear students, so now before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, students, now let us begin with the next problem. The next problem is also very simple. So first of all, directly the given problem, we can frame it in variable separable form here. Now here, can I write it as dy equal to dx whole divided by x into x square minus 1. Now dear students, that itself it is nothing but in our variable separable form here. Now here directly I can integrate on both the sides, okay, integrate on both the side, that is variable separable form, okay, therefore integrate it. Now here what we get here? Therefore integration of dy equal to integration of 1 divided by x into x minus 1 into x plus 1, okay, into dx. Now here what we get here? That itself. Now we shall solve it. That is nothing but here, first of all, this particular second term I have to solve it by making use of variable separable form. That is 1 divided by x into x minus 1 x plus 1 equal to a divided by x plus b divided by x minus 1 plus c divided by x plus 1 here. Now what we can do is easily we can solve it. That is nothing but here 1 is equal to a into, after taking the LCM, a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into what we get here? X into x plus 1 plus c into, that is x into x minus 1 here. Okay. Now here when x equal to 0, okay, that is when x equal to 0, if I substitute x equal to 0, 0, 0, that means 1 is equal to LHS also we have to substitute 0 minus 1 and here plus 1, that is minus a. That implies what is the a value? minus 1 here. Okay, a value will be minus 1. Similarly, if I put x equal to minus 1 or plus 1, when x equal to 1, that is 1 equal to, okay, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and here b into 1 plus 1, that implies b is equal to 1 by 2 here. What we get the value for b? B is 1 by 2. Also when x equal to minus 1, students, when x equal to minus 1, if I substitute here minus 1 plus 1, the value becomes 0 here, okay, and here also minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, here minus 1 minus into minus, that is 1 equal to c into, that is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is 1 equal to c into 2, that implies c is equal to 1 by 2 here. Now put a, b, c in above equations. So that implies what we get is integration of dy equal to integration of a. Dear students, a means what? This whole term means a divided by b divided by c divided by. A means what is the value? Minus 1. Minus 1 divided by x plus 1 by 2, that is b here, divided by x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now here we can integrate it directly. What is it? That is y is equal to minus log x plus 1 by 2 into log of x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1 plus an integral constant c here. Now here that is nothing but our required result. Now here, dear students, I can rewrite it as y is equal to, okay, y is equal to, now what we have here, that is minus, here log a plus log b we are having. If I take 1 by 2 common outside, that is nothing but here minus log x plus 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus an integral constant c here. Now similarly here x minus 1 into x plus 1 means what it is? That is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So what I can write it is, so here 2 if I take LCM here, that is nothing but here minus 2 log x plus 1 by 2, okay, whole divided by, that is log of x square minus 1, okay, whole divided by, we are having 2 plus an integral constant c. Here I can write it as y. Now you can take 2 at the LHS side, 2y equal to, I can write it as, that is minus of log x square, okay, it is plus sign log of x square minus 1 plus an integral constant c. Even though if you multiply by 2 here, that is again integral constant value only. Okay, dear students. Now the next step. So now here log a minus log b, that is nothing but here log of x square minus 1 divided by x square plus c. Now what it is? 2y is equal to. So what it is? It is nothing but our general solution, dear students. Now here we require to find out the particular solutions. Now particular solution, how to find it? That is, he has given the data here, that is when y is equal to 0, okay, when y is equal to 0, okay, at y is equal to 0, when x equal to what it is? 2, that means y is equal to 0 substitute, x equal to 2 you substitute, what we get? 0 equal to, okay, dear students, log of, okay, 0 is equal to, and one more thing, dear students, if you want you can take it is 1 by 2. Now here what we get? 0 is equal to log of 2 square, that is nothing but 4 minus 1 3 divided by 2 square, that is nothing but 4, next plus an integral constant c here. So now here if we are taking LCM here also it becomes 2 here, without general c you can take here 2c and you can take it as equation number 1 here. So what we get here? That is 2c. That implies here c value equal to minus 1 by 2 log of 3 by 4. Put in 1. If I put it in 1, so what we get here? That is, that implies 2y is equal to, okay, what we get here? That is the log of x square minus 1 divided by x square, okay, minus of 1 by 2 log of 3 by 4. That is nothing but your required particular solution here, is our particular solution, is our particular solution. And here the equation 1, whatever we had solved here, that itself is nothing but our general solution here. Okay, dear students, now let us move on with the Next, very simple example. Okay, dear students, the next example is, so here differential equation is given, that is dy by dx equal to 2x divided by y square, and the initial condition is given at y is equal to 3 when x equal to minus 2, when x equal to minus 2 here, that we shall substitute. Now here what we get, that is nothing but here dy by dx. Now here y square dy equal to 2x dx, directly that is y square I will interchange here. Now it is nothing but our variable separable for, I can directly integrate it. So what we get, that is y square becomes y cube by 3 equal to 2 into x square by 2, 2 to get eliminates, plus an integral constant c here. It is nothing but our equation number 1. Equation number means here what it is, general solution. Now I will substitute the values, that is when x equal to minus 2, that implies, okay, then y is equal to, the value will be 3. Substitute it, what we get, y is equal to 3 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 by 3, that is nothing but 9. Here minus 2 means 4 plus c, that implies c is equal to 9 minus 4, that is nothing but 5 here. Put in 1. If I put it in 1, what we get here, y cube by 3 equal to x square plus 5, that is nothing but our required very simple and easy result. Or else I can write as y cube is equal to 3x square plus 15, that is nothing but our required, dear students, particular solution. Particular solution means what? If you are able to find an integral constant value in the general solution, whatever the general solution is there, in this general solution, if I am able to find that constant value, such solutions are said to be as particular solution. Dear students, here in this whole chapter, that is a differential equation, we are discussing only about the first order and first degree only. Okay, dear students, so before continuing the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us begin with the next problem. The next problem is also very simple. Here cos of dy by dx equal to a we have. Since we are discussing only about the first order and first degree, here this cos I will take it to the RHS part. So what we will have, that is dy by dx equal to cos inverse of a. Since it is a, it is a constant only. So what we will have, that is dy is equal to cos inverse of a into dx. Now here we can easily observe that it is nothing but our variable separable form. Variable separable means what? All the dy and the dx at different side, dy at one side and dx at one side. Now that is variable separable form, therefore integrated. So what we get, that is nothing but integration of dy equal to integration, since it is a constant, that is the cos inverse of a integration of dx, integration of dx. Now here integration of dy, that is nothing but y here. Now here cos inverse of a as it is, integration of 1, that is nothing but x, plus an integral constant c here. Okay, that is nothing but what? An general solution. You can take it as equation number 1 here, dear students. Now we will apply the conditions. What is the condition? At y is equal to 2, okay, when x equal to what it is? 0. You substitute both the values in above, that is 2 equal to cos inverse of a into 0 plus c. That implies c equal to value is 2. Put in 1 here. Okay, so what we get is y is equal to, okay, cos inverse of a into x, okay, x plus c means it is 2. Now I will rewrite once again. So what we get, y minus 2, okay, dear students, y minus 2, here x we have, I will write the denominator, is equal to cos inverse of a. That means what we get is cos of y minus 2 divided by x equal to a. That is nothing but our required particular solution, where a, it is nothing but here constant, here c, it is nothing but our integral constant here. Okay, dear students, very simple example. Now let us move on to the next example. The next example is dy by dx equal to y into tan x, okay, y into tan x, okay, that is when y is equal to 1 and x equal to 0, when y is equal to 1 and x equal to 0 here. Now here we shall integrate it and find out the value. That implies here what we get here, that is dy divided by y is equal to tan x into what we get here, dear students, tan x into dx. Easily wired the cross multiplication, that is nothing but our variable separable form. Now we can integrate it. 1 by y dy is equal to integration of tan x into dx, students. Now here what is 1 by y integration? That is nothing but here log y. Okay, tan x integration is nothing but log of secant x. Okay, log of secant x plus an integral constant c here. Now by making use of the given condition, I require to find out the c value, that is when x equal to 0, that implies y is equal to 1. Substitute in above, you can take it as equation number 1 here. Log y, that is log 1, okay, log 1 equal to log of secant 0 plus c. Log 1 value is 0 equal to log 1, that is secant 0 value is 1 here, plus c, that implies here log 1 value is also 0, that implies c equal to 0. Put in 1. Now put in 1 means what we get here, that is nothing but here log y is equal to log of secant x, okay, log of secant x plus 0, or else y is equal to, the answer is secant x. That is nothing but our required particular solution. Here equation number 1, that itself is our general solution, is our particular solution. Particular solution. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. Okay, fine, it is the last problem of this particular exercise, that is nothing but exercise number 9.4, dear students. Now the next problem is find the equation of the curve, passing through the value is, okay, that is 0 comma 0, okay, whose differential equation is, that is dy by dx equal to e raised to x into sin x. Okay, now here the problem is very, very simple. E raised to x sin x at one side, dy by dx at one side. Dx, if we take it to the cross multiply to the RHS, it becomes our variable separable form. And also the initial conditions he has given, that is 0 comma 0, that is dy is equal to e raised to x into sin x into dx. Variable separable form, dy is equal to integration of e raised to x into sin x dx. Now here what I will do is, I will find out this value integral, I will find out this particular value. How to find out, that we shall observe, okay, that is integration. Let us take I is equal to integration of e raised to x into sin x dx. Now here how we have to integrate this term, I will take it as u and v, that is integrating by parts here, that is sin x as it is, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x only, minus integral of integration of e raised to x, further differentiation of sin x becomes cos x dx. Now which is equal to e raised to x into sin x, minus again integration by parts here, that is nothing but here cos x as it is, e raised to x integration b raised to x, minus integral of this value as it is, cos x differentiation is minus sin x and dx. Now here we can observe that e raised to x into sin x minus e raised to x into cos x, minus into minus plus, again what sign we have, minus here, minus of, that is e raised to x sin x, that is nothing but our I here, minus I. So here it is nothing but I plus I, that is nothing but 2I is equal to e raised to x into sin x minus, dear students, it is cos x. And hence I is equal to e raised to x by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus an integral constant c here, Now what it is nothing but our I here, dear students, it is nothing but integration of this particular I. So I will write it as, okay, integration of dy is equal to I. This I value I had already find out. okay, that implies here integration of, okay, what it is, integration of dy, that is nothing but y, is equal to I means what is the solution, e raised to x by 2 sin x minus cos x, okay, plus an integral constant c. Now the last step is we require to find out the solution. It is nothing but our general solution. Dear students, it is our general solution. Here we require to find the constant c value. If I put 0 comma 0 is already given here, okay, at 0 comma 0 y is also 0, e raised to 0 1, okay, then sin 0 0, cos 0 will be 1 here. At 0 comma 0, the value will be 0 is equal to 1 by 2, that is e raised to 0 will be 1, okay dear students, that is 1 by 2, sin 0 will be 0 and cos 0 will be 1 here, plus c. That implies here minus 1 by 2, if I take it to the LHS side, it becomes 1 by 2. C is equal to 1 by 2. Put this value in above equation number 1 here. And at last, here plus 1 by 2 I will get. 1 by 2, you can take it to the LHS. Okay dear students, that will be nothing but our required result, or else that itself we called as an particular solution of the given general differential equations. One more thing what we have to remember here dear students, very important, when whatever the given differential equation it is, he will not clearly mention you that it is in variable separable form or any other methods. You have to identify whether we can frame it into an variable separable or not. Once it is variable separable, then you have to integrate it. Okay, variable separable means integrate it and find out what it is, general solution. In this general solution, by making use of the given initial conditions, okay, substitute those initial condition and find out the constant value. And that constant value after substituting in general solution, that itself we call as an particular solution. Okay dear students, it is nothing but our very simple exercise, that is 9.4 here. Dear students, in the next session, we shall start with the topic called as homogeneous differential equation. Till that, thank you.